In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Upwork and apply for jobs with ease, guiding you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First things first, let's head over to the Upwork website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the full address or simply searching Upwork in a search engine like Google. Once you're there, you'll land on the main page. Congratulations, you've just taken the crucial first step in accessing one of the largest platforms for freelancers and clients worldwide. Now the next step involves navigating to your personal dashboard. This section is the control center of your Upwork account, providing a comprehensive view of all your activities, job recommendations, and essential notifications. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first visit. You should notice a search bar prominently displayed near the top of the page. This is where the magic really happens. Click on the search bar and you'll be prompted to enter keywords related to the type of job you're interested in. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, simply type in graphic design. Be as specific as possible to fine-tune your results. This search will help you filter through the multitude of job listings to find those most relevant to your skills and interests. Now that you've perfected your search terms and hit enter, you'll see a list of job roles that match your criteria. Take your time to go through this list. Click on any listings that pique your interest to review them in more detail. You'll want to read through the job descriptions thoroughly to ensure they align with your expertise, availability, and project desires. Once you've found a fitting job, you'll see an apply button. Click on it, and this is where you must pause for a moment as this is an essential point. Upwork operates on a system of connects when applying for jobs. Essentially, connects are like tokens or points you need to use in order to submit proposals for jobs. You'll need to purchase connects if you don't already have them in your account. It's a small investment that paves the way towards potentially landing a lucrative contract. After ensuring you have the necessary connects, proceed with your application. This entails submitting a proposal where you can introduce yourself, detail your skills, and explain why you're the ideal candidate for the job. Remember to tailor each proposal to the specific job listing for the best chance of success. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Upwork to apply for a job. Practicing this process a few times will make you more comfortable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your job search.